Kamusta Pilipinas? Kamusta Team Online? Ako po si Bianca Gonzalez and welcome to Kuya's Update. Super exciting dahil ngayong gabi makikilala na natin ang unang papasok ng bahay ni Kuya.
Isang hardworking na business administration student at multi-talented na dancer. Mahilig lumuhok sa iba't ibang paligsahan dahil sa kanyang kagustuhang matuto at i-explore ang kanyang mga skills. Kilalanin natin si Dorothy.
Hi everyone! I am Dorothy, but most of my friends call me Dottie. I'm 19 years old from Malolos, Bulacan.
Nakikita niyo lang ako mag-perform sa iba't ibang events sa Bulacan State University, pero I am more than just a dancer.
Since I was young, sobrang na-enjoy ko na mag-present at mag-perform sa maraming tao. Thanks to my supportive parents who have never failed to believe in me.
Fun fact, I even joined a pageantry named Little Miss Confetti back in 2010, kung saan nakasama ko si Andrea Brillantes.
I am Dorothy Hannah Villegaspi, ang determined student performer ng Malolos, Bulacan. May aaminin po ako, kuya.
Ano yun?
Since I am an adventurous person po, it makes me want to try new things. And gusto kong i-challenge yung sarili ko. So, tinatry ko talaga i-balance lahat ng ginagawa ko. Minsan, hindi ko talaga mapigilan na hindi ma-burn out or ma-overwhelm sa ginagawa ko.
Anong ginagawa mo para malagpasan mo yun?
To overcome this po, kuya, I have a journal where I write down my thoughts and feelings openly without judgment. I also have a motto in life, kuya, na talagang pinanghahawakan ko whenever I face challenges po. And that is, God wouldn't put it in my heart if He knew that I couldn't do it.